Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 13 February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 8, number 15, number 23, number 35, number 42, booster number 32. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number 7, number 16, number 24, number 38, number 44, booster number 18. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next